China's sixth-generation fighter jet was recently seen in a viral video, leaving the world shocked, as no country has successfully developed such advanced technology till now. Except China, the United States is still working on its own version. In this video, we will explore China's sixth-generation fighter jet and the fascinating technologies associated with it. These jets are expected to be game-changers because they are built on cutting-edge stealth technology, making them undetectable by radar and infrared sensors. As a result, their potential for destruction is unimaginable. They could enter and exit enemy territory without being detected. First, let's understand the generations of fighter jets. Modern nations are actively developing advanced weapons, but these weapons are ineffective without an efficient platform to carry them. Over time, the speed and capabilities of fighter jets have evolved significantly, enabling them to carry more advanced weaponry. The concept of speed plays a crucial role in the evolution of fighter jets. The speed of sound is 1,225 kilometers per hour, referred to as Mach 1. First-generation fighter planes operated at subsonic speeds, meaning they were slower than the speed of sound. Later, supersonic jets were introduced, capable of speeds between Mach 1 and Mach 5. Today, sixth-generation fighter jets are designed to achieve hypersonic speeds, exceeding Mach 5. China's Chengdu J-36 is rumored to be a prototype of a sixth-generation fighter jet. Using details from the viral video and designs from Chengdu Aircraft Corporation's fifth-generation jets, we have created a 3D model of this sixth-generation aircraft. However, this model is not an exact representation. The primary function of a fighter jet is to carry heavy weapons, which requires a significant load-lifting capacity. This capability largely depends on the size of its wings. Based on the video, China's sixth-generation fighter jet, the J-36 appears to have a wingspan of approximately 20 meters. In comparison, the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation's fifth-generation fighter jet, the J-20 has a wingspan of just 13 meters. Fighter jets from other countries also have varying wingspans. The total length of China's J-36 is estimated to be between 20 and 22 meters, excluding the pitot tube located at the nose of the aircraft. The large wings of the J-36 allow it to carry a significant amount of fuel, giving it an estimated range of 3,000 kilometers. This fighter jet is also built using cutting-edge stealth technology, making it nearly undetectable by radar cross-sections. If you observe closely, the trailing edge of the J-36's wings forms a diamond-like shape. Much like a diamond, each side is angled differently rather than being completely flat. Although not a perfect diamond, this design helps it remain undetectable to radar. The shape deflects incoming radar signals in different directions, preventing them from returning to the radar source. Additionally, the smooth edges scatter the radar signals into multiple weaker signals, making it nearly impossible for the radar to detect the aircraft. To explain further, imagine a torchlight as a radar, a plate behind it as the radar receiver, and a mirror as the fighter jet. If the mirror is positioned directly in front of the torch, the light reflects back, signaling the presence of an object. However, if the mirror is tilted, the light is reflected elsewhere, and the radar cannot detect it. Observing the J-36, its wing sweep angle appears to be around 49 degrees. The sweep angle refers to the angle of the aircraft's wing relative to its body. A higher sweep angle reduces air drag, which enhances the aircraft's speed, stability, and maneuverability. Let's understand the concept of maneuverability in simple terms. Fighter planes are designed to take quick, sharp turns in the air, enabling them to evade enemy missiles or outmaneuver enemy jets. Fourth-generation fighter planes excel at this capability, while sixth-generation fighter jets retain these abilities. Their primary focus is stealth technology, which allows them to remain undetected and penetrate enemy territory without being noticed. The Chengdu J-36 appears to have a large volume, with its belly starting closer to the front of the aircraft. The belly of a fighter plane serves as a storage area for weapons, as externally mounted weapons can be easily detected. Inside the belly, there is a weapon bay, which is estimated to be approximately 6 meters long. Coincidentally, the same length as China's latest long-range missile, the PL-17. The cockpit cover design suggests that the J-36 may allow two pilots to sit side by side. However, being a 6th-generation fighter plane, it is equipped with advanced technology, allowing it to function as a drone. This means it can be operated remotely by pilots from the ground, or alternatively, it can be piloted manually from inside the aircraft. These planes are integrated with artificial intelligence, which enhances high-speed data processing and significantly improves their maneuverability. The J-36 features a total of 3 engines. The 2 side engines utilize belly side intakes for air intake, while the middle engine uses a dorsal intake, an opening located at the top of the plane for air entry. The reason for using these 3 engines in the J-36 remains unclear, as both its design and technology are still new, with no official information available. One possibility is that manufacturers may not yet have a high-powered, compact-size engine. Thus, 3 engines might have been employed to collectively meet the power requirements of the aircraft. Based on the size of the plane and the double-wheel bogies installed, the J-36's maximum takeoff weight is estimated to be around 50 tons. For comparison, the weightlifting capacities of other aircraft worldwide, such a heavy aircraft requires substantial power to operate. The WS-15 engine used in China's 5th-generation Chengdu J-20 generates 150 to 170 kN thrust, and future developments may push this to 200 kN. However, even this thrust might not suffice for 6th-generation fighter jets. This could explain the need for 3 engines. Alternatively, the middle engine might serve to generate electricity, as 6th-generation fighter jets have high power demands. The high power demands of the aircraft result in the release of more heated gases from its engine, making them vulnerable to detection by infrared sensors. To counter this, the exhaust gases are cooled as much as possible before being released. The nozzle design further aids in reducing detection. It disperses the gases widely into the air, preventing the formation of concentrated hotspots and making it difficult for infrared sensors to detect the aircraft. One notable feature of this fighter jet is the absence of vertical components, such as rudders, which are typically used in conventional fighter planes for improved stability and maneuverability. Instead, the J-36 relies solely on flaps, which provide lift for takeoff and landing. Being a 6th-generation fighter jet, it compensates for this with an advanced computer system that ensures enhanced stability and maneuverability using only the flaps. The lack of vertical components improves the aircraft's stealth technology. However, some experts argue that this could make maneuvering the 6th-generation fighter jet more challenging. That said, with its superior stealth capabilities, the aircraft is likely to complete its mission undetected before its presence is even realized. At present, there is no official confirmation regarding the details of the J-36, and much of the information is speculative. However, it seems likely that China has developed a prototype of its 6th-generation fighter jet. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.